Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video at Movavi Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Today we are going to work on building a rack in the survival bunker for our potatoes. So I got some slats over here I'm going to use and some scrap lumber, and then we're just going to make like a chicken wire mesh top to put them on so we can get good airflow. But that's kind of a rundown what we're going to try to do this evening while we got a little daylight left. So let's get started. Alright guys, well, we are in the shop. I'll show you what we're going to work with today. I have two 8-foot treated 2x4s. I have a roll of chicken wire here. Now this is the chicken wire with the big holes, the cheaper one. So I'm going to have to do probably 2 layers over it to keep some of the potatoes from falling through, which is fine. And then I have a couple slats here that I actually got from work, but you can kind of see what I'm working with here, see what I do, and maybe get your own idea on how to do it. Maybe you got some scrap wood laying around like this, and you can just improvise. It doesn't take a lot of money to do it. You just have to want to do it and want to have a lifestyle that's not dependent upon the government, not dependent upon others. Self-sufficient. So that's all you need. Alright, we're going to start here just by getting our measurements. I'm going to mark 4 foot right here. 4 foot right here. I didn't grab my straight edge, so I'll just use this. Voila. Now it's marked, I'll just cut these, and these will be my legs. Alrighty, you can kind of see what we're working with now. We got this big open area here. This is going to be where the chicken wire is and the potatoes are stored. Now we're just going to wrap this up with a few rows of chicken wire and see what it looks like. Alright guys, well, you can see we got the top part done. It's a tad bit wobbly, but when we put that next level down at 2 foot, it should firm everything up a little bit. And if need be, we can always add a little bracing. So, that's good. We're going to set it in this back corner back here, along this wall. So.
Last time I was in here, I hit my head.
Yeah, don't do that.
It is dark in here.
Yeah, your eyes will adjust. Come all the way back to the back. Alrighty. Here it is. Ooh, ooh. Here it is. You can see the top rack right here. We got about 2.5 foot from here to there. So, looks good. I think we decided we're just going to do one rack on top. And then we'll come back with another grating on bottom for jars and stuff like that. This should be enough for potatoes for now. So if we do need to make a smaller rack, we can. But I think this will be sufficient for it. Let's go grab some potatoes and throw them on there. Alrighty, well, I don't know if this is, yeah, it's going to have enough light. These are just a few of the bigger ones. These are dry. They should stay preserved down here. So that's why this is all we got right now. But you can see we got room for more, which are out there on the trampoline drying. By tomorrow evening, they should be good to go to load up in here. We may show you guys a follow-up on this when we do this bottom rack. But that'll be another video. Today we showed you guys how to build a cheap rack for potatoes. Some of you guys may want to preserve them. This is one way to do it in this root cellar here that we call our survival bunker because it's holding our food and we can seek shelter in it in tornado because we are in Oklahoma, so tornadoes are not out of the norm, right?
They're inevitable.
They're inevitable. So quick, cheap, easy way. If you got chicken wire and scrap lumber, you can make one of these. Really simple. Start prepping today. That's all we got on today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time. God bless.